Alright guys, remember the Tori Amos covers I did? Well, I'm sure you remember because they were really good. So now I'm going to sing Caught in Lite Sneeze, originally from Tori Amos. Alright, yeah. Thanks for watching. Caught in light sneeze, caught in light breeze, caught in light way, lightning speed. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. I need a big love from the girl zone. I need a big love from a girl zone. Building tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it up. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. The fire is hot and my cells can't feed, and you still got that bell dragging your foot. I'm hiding it well, Sister Honesty, but I still got that bell dragging my foot. Right on time, you get closer and closer, call my name, but there's no way in. You use that fame, rent your wife and kids today. I said maybe she will. I said maybe she will. Caught a light sneeze, dreamed a little dream, made my own pretty hate machine. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Boys in their dresses, and you're not here. I need a big love from a girl zone. I need a big love from a girl zone. Building tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it up. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. Thank you. Bye now.